Hey, welcome back to Out the Smoke. I'm Malcolm. Got Mark Williams here with me as usual. Mark, looks like we got the hula hoop here today, man. What do we got going on?
We're doing the hula hoop contest, but all jokes aside, this is the Bull Boss. This is what we use to cool our pot off. It really gets some temperatures from boiling down to 140 where them crawfish can soak up some flavor. You won't overcook them. It takes all the guesswork out of soaking them crawfish.
That's right. It's important when you're cooking seafood to get your soaking pot down to about 140, 160 degrees. You can do that by putting cool water on the outside of the pot, stirring it with a paddle, and it'll drop just in a matter of minutes. That's what we're going to show you today. Mark, we got a sack of crawfish already boiling. You ready to soak them?
Let's cool them off and soak them.
All right, let's show you how we do it. So once you boiled your seafood, whether it's crawfish or crabs or shrimp, you want to get this pot chilled, and this is where the Bull Boss is going to do its job. You just hang the Bull Boss on your pot. This is an 80 quart pot. It'll go all the way up to about 120 quart pot. Then we're going to turn the water on and let it start chilling the pot. And you can see everything's floating up to the top of the water when you boiled it. You've got that heat all in there. Now we're going to bring the temp down, and the Bull Boss has a paddle with a thermometer built into it that lets you know that you're getting that water cool, and you're just going to stir it. It's going to take about, what, 5 minutes, Mark?
5 minutes, it should be down about 150, 140, and they'll be ready to soak. All these crawfish will sink. That's flavor going in them heads. That's good eating crawfish. So we've had the water on for about 2 minutes, and you can tell we're already at 175-ish. Temp's dropping pretty quick. We'll be soaking temp here in just a few minutes.
And one thing you can notice, the crawfish are dropping to the bottom. They're doing this because as that water temperature cools, the heads are soaking up with liquid, getting all that flavor that we've concentrated in the pot inside the seafood. So after 5 minutes of stirring, Mark, what are we at?
We're sitting at 145.
That is perfect soaking temperature for your seafood. So the Bull Boss has done its job. It ran water on the outside of the pot, chilled it, you stirred it the whole time, saw what the temperature did. Now we're ready to soak, and this is where we're getting flavor, heat, all the flavor in the seafood. So Mark, I found the Bull Boss the absolute best way to get the pot temperature down when you're doing a one pot crawfish.
That's right. You don't have to use ice. It just makes it that much easier.
No extra water is going in the pot.
Nope.
All the temperature cooling is happening on the outside, letting water do its job. Hey, you don't get no easier than that. Appreciate y'all hanging out with us today. If you want to see how we cook this pot of crawfish, watch the other video. It's on the Out the Smoke channel. Mark, where can they find you?
Y'all can find us at Swine Life BBQ on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.
Hey, y'all know I'm on How to Barbecue Right. I've got crawfish cooking videos, and so do Mark, so y'all give us a visit. If you have any questions or comments, hit us up on the Out the Smoke Facebook channel. We may do a video on your question. We'll see y'all next time.